In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load Thinkorswim Layout. If you use Thinkorswim regularly, you probably have different ways you like your charts, gadgets, and tools arranged depending on what you're doing. Maybe you have a streamlined setup for quick scans and a more detailed layout for deep chart analysis. Loading a saved layout, also called a workspace, lets you jump between those setups instantly so you can focus on the task at hand without rebuilding your screen. First, open the Thinkorswim desktop application. Give it a moment to load your platform. Once the main window is up, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon labeled Setup. This is where you control platform-wide settings and, importantly for today, where you access your saved workspaces. Click the Setup button. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see a list of workspace names that you've saved previously. These are typically the descriptive names you chose when you saved them, so they should be easy to recognize, like a layout designed for options trading or one geared toward futures. If you don't see any names, it simply means there aren't saved workspaces available on this installation yet, and the list will appear empty. To load a layout, just click the name of the workspace you want. There's no extra confirmation needed. The moment you select it, Thinkorswim will replace your current layout with the one you chose. Your panels, chart grids, and any linked window arrangements that were part of that workspace will appear exactly as they were when you saved it. This switch is immediate and doesn't delete anything. It simply makes that workspace the active one. If you click a workspace and realize it isn't the one you intended, no problem. Click the Setup gear again and choose a different name from the list. You can repeat this as often as you like until you're in the layout that fits your workflow for the day. That's really all there is to it. Open Thinkorswim Desktop, click the Setup gear in the top right corner, and pick the workspace you want from the drop-down list. It's a quick way to move from one organized view to another without interrupting your momentum. Keeping your layouts clearly named will make this even smoother, so your desired configuration is always just one click away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the efficiency of switching layouts in Thinkorswim with confidence.